Hello students, welcome in the class. In this video, we will solve some MCQs based on sentence. At first, we have to know what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. That means if any group of words like he is a boy. Here there are four words and these group of words are in a sequence and they are making a sense. That's why it is a sentence. So simply we can say any group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. There are four kind of sentences in your syllabus. First one is assertive or you can say declarative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. Today we will see some MCQs on the based of these kind of sentences. Question first, which type of sentence must end with a question mark? यानी कि इस सेंटेंस के एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज होता है. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. So question mark is used in interrogative sentences. Question second, a sentence that is used to give someone an order or a command is an blank sentence. Options are interrogative, imperative or exclamative. So the correct answer is imperative sentence. Because imperative sentences are sentences that are used to give order, command or advice. Question 3. The function of a declarative sentence is to blank someone about something. Options: ask, tell or surprise. So here the correct answer will be tell. It is used to tell someone about something. Question 4. What does an exclamative sentence usually end with? Options: a full stop or a period, a question mark, and exclamation mark. So the correct answer will be exclamation mark. Exclamative sentences end with an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is this. Dot. Question 5. Sit down and be quiet. What type of sentence is this? Options: exclamative, imperative and interrogative. So as you know, this is a command, sit down and be quiet, and we knew that command is given in imperative sentence. So imperative will be the correct answer. Question 6. Which of these sentence types often begins with the subject? Options: declarative, imperative and exclamative. So the correct answer is declarative, because here it is asked means which type of sentence starts with a subject. So declarative sentence always starts with a subject. Imperative starts with any verb or helping verb. And exclamative with any exclamative word. So here the correct answer will be declarative. Question next. Which is an exclamative sentence? Options: he is so cute, isn't he cute, how cute he is. So here you can see he is so cute. It is a simple sentence. Isn't he cute? It is an interrogative sentence because here is a question. Now here you will find the how cute he is, exclamative, and here you find the exclamation mark also. So this will be the correct answer, how cute he is. Because in exclamative sentences we use surprise or sudden feelings. Question 8. The usual form of a declarative sentence is. Options: to make a statement, subject, verb, a period of full stop. So in declarative sentences, we find a statement. So this will be the correct answer, to make a statement. Next question, which of these sentences is in imperative form? Options: have fun, wouldn't you? Did you have fun? It will be fun. So the correct answer is have fun, wouldn't you? Next question, which is a declarative sentence? Options: ouch, stop hurting me, that hurts. So the correct answer is that hurts, as it is following the subject plus verb arrangement. That's why it is a declarative sentence. Thank you.